Welcome to the course. Are you tired of making investment decisions based on guesswork, hope, and luck? There is another way, one that reduces unnecessary risk and uncertainty so that you don't lose money easily. It's a way that relies on data, mathematics, and statistics to help you make robust investment decisions. Say hello to data-driven investing. In this course, you're going to learn how to make profitable, robust, data-backed investment decisions that help you remove the guesswork from your investments. And you're going to achieve this by literally creating a systematic and scientific system for investing. One that even has the potential to earn alpha. In other words, it has the potential to beat the markets. And no, that's not based on drawing a bunch of lines on a chart or talking about support and resistance levels or candlestick patterns, or indeed me telling you about the next Apple or Google or Facebook. None of that. Instead, it's a system that truly leverages the power of data, mathematics, and statistics. This two-part course includes everything you need to truly master data-driven investing, using techniques and strategies that are rigorously grounded in the academic and practitioner literature. In part 1 of the course, you'll start by gaining a solid foundation of the core investment analysis fundamentals, including exploring powerful relationships between price, risk, and return, as well as calculating returns, expected returns, and the risk of both stocks and investment portfolios. And of course, you learn how to do all of this both manually as well as in Excel, working with real-world data. And with these solid fundamentals in place, you'll then move on to part 2 of the course, where you'll take your foundational knowledge to a whole new level. Learning everything from how to develop investment ideas, how to source them, how to create testable hypotheses, source and clean data, statistically test and validate your hypotheses, search for and generate alpha, and much, much more. Put simply, this course literally has every single thing you need to truly become a data-driven investor. The course is suitable for a variety of people, but essentially the course is ideal for anyone who wants to move away from using guesswork, hope, and luck to drive their investment decisions, and instead truly leverage the power of data, mathematics, and statistics. We've designed the course for distinction. We've applied the same tried and tested, proven to work teaching techniques that we've applied on our clients and tens of thousands of students across the globe for over a decade. So you can use our structured learning path and be confident that you will in fact become a data-driven investor. Throughout the course, you'll engage with carefully thought out, clutter-free study materials that break the subject down to its core. And while we're incredibly rigorous and uncompromising in the theoretical integrity of the concepts, you will apply every single thing you learn immediately with loads of helpful practice activities, including hundreds of progressively challenging quiz questions, assignments that take you outside your comfort zone, a practice test to really hone in your knowledge, loads of practical walkthroughs, and so much more. The course really is extensive, and by enrolling in the course, you get access to all of the intricately detailed, on-demand HD video lessons, plus all of the core study materials, including the slides, as well as quizzes and assignments with impeccably detailed solutions, especially for the quantitative and mathematically heavy questions. And for the mathematically curious, we also include mathematical proofs with step-by-step explanations, so you know precisely why formulas and equations work the way they do. And of course, because we're working extensively with real-world data, you do also get access to all of the Excel spreadsheets and templates which we built from scratch, so you always know precisely what every single spreadsheet is doing. I'm incredibly excited to teach you data-driven investing with Excel. So go ahead now, take the first step, enroll in the course, and start your journey to becoming a data-driven investor. I'll see you in a bit.